How to add money to PayPal without bank account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open PayPal and click on Wallet at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, what you can do is add credit card. Click on Add Credit Cards. And then as you can see, there is link your bank account. What you can do is just link your credit card. Or you have more option. If you don't want bank, you can add by simpler direct deposit setup, cash a check, add cash at stores. Simply click on the one you prefer. You can also transfer your balance. These are all the setup without bank account. Select the one you prefer and do as PayPal says, and you're good to go. This is how to add money to PayPal without bank account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.